Hey guys, welcome back to the video. My name's Jace and
my name's Jackson.
And we're gonna be playing a game of SMX.
The rules are if I do a bar spin and I land it, I cannot duplicate the trick next round. But if I do a bar spin and I miss the landing, I can duplicate it next time to redeem myself.
Yeah. Kind of confusing, but yeah. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Wait, no, wait, what?
Oh.
1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3.
Strategy. Now I know what you're gonna do.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
No.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
Dang it. Okay, you go.
Excuse me. Bar twist.
Oh, yes. 180 half cap. Come on, baby. Bye, bye.
I can't land those. Okay, S.
S.
Oh yeah! I'll redeem myself on a bar twist.
Woo! I hate wrestling. I hate your tail whip.
Oh! Okay, bar spin.
Aw. That's not fair.
Okay, you did the half cap. Okay, your turn.
Okay. 180 to 180 half cap tail whip.
Out? Or
Oh shoot, this is not gonna count?
kind of.
Oh, you're lucky.
Okay, I'll bar twist, bar spin.
Don't want it. Okay. The count?
Oh, rotate!
No. S to S. Tail whip.
We'll ride it. Okay. S, M, S. Okay,
Jackson beat me in a game of Scoot yesterday.
Okay,
But
180.
it just didn't.
180. Fakey bar. 180 out.
Okay. There's no.
Oh!
Okay, 180. No, 360.
I need group tape, people. I need a group tape.
Seriously. Dude, we should buy some.
That's why I need a group tape. SMS.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And peace out.